Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new.
Unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by ARABELLAHAIR. Shout out to you, Arabella, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, child, let me pull it up. Pull it up, girl. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is that 13x4 HD lace front body wave wig. It's honey blonde human hair. The wig is 250% density. The unit does come in 14 to 32 inches. I have this unit in 22 inches. And if I'm not mistaken, let me go and see, because it does come in 180 and it does come in 250% density. I'm going to go ahead and say that they sent me 180, but it is very thick, y'all. So I don't know. Like, the hair is very, very full. So, and it's kind of heavy. But I'm going to say 180 because I don't see. But definitely check down below in the description box so you guys can see which one that they sent, because I'm pretty sure they're going to send me the details to place in the description box so you guys will know. But they do have it available in 180 and 250, and you can get this unit in either a body wave or a straight. They it looks like they had deep wave, but it's like scratched out, so I'm guessing you can only get it in straight or a body. So on the description they said the hair texture is body wave or deep wave, but as I stated, they don't have the deep wave. The human hair type is Brazilian, Peruvian, Indian, or Malaysian. The cap size is average. The lace is transparent 13x4 lace, and the color is piano color. So those are the details and stuff that this company sent me for this wig. As far as shedding and tangling, I honestly did not notice any straight out of the packaging. After I cut, because I had to cut a lot of lace over here because the wig honestly was a little too big, so that'll lead me into letting you guys know this unit is very big head friendly. I am an average cap size, and I did crisscross applesauce the adjustable straps, and it's still just way too big. Like, even over here the lace is kind of like bulking up, and it's just because it's just a really big unit. So this unit is definitely more so on the big head friendly side than not. Let me throw that out there. Like, let y'all know, honey. And so I also had to cut off a lot of lace, like around my ears. So it was shedding after I did that because I ended up having to cut some of the hair. So I do want to throw that out there as well. And as far as bleaching knots and stuff, I did not have to do any other things. Like, literally, old girl basically woke up like this, okay? So I did tweeze it a little bit, but as far as bleaching the knots, I did not have to do that whatsoever. So that is also a plus, okay? Because you know, I mean, I have been on this bleaching kick, but honey, if I can save time, I want to save time because it's just who she is, okay? So yeah, those are basically it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so let's start with the cons. So one con that I have with this unit is the fact that I did have to cut off so much lace because the unit was very big. That is a personal con. It's not like a company con, it's a me con, okay? If you have a larger head, then this wig will probably be perfect for you. But if you have an average to small head, then it's just gonna be a little more work than you may like to do. So that is a con, and of course the standard 13x4, okay, is always a con for me. So I did have to, you know, kind of curve that part like you guys have been seeing me do in a lot of videos as of late. So yeah, those are my cons with this wig. Now, as far as my pros, honey, this color is life, honey. You guys know I love these sort of colors during the spring and summer months. I think the color is gorgeous. I also love the lace. I think the lace is really, really nice. You know, it's transparent, honey, okay? So I love that for me as well because, you know, brown lace and me don't get along. So I love that it is transparent lace. And I also love the fact that I did not have to bleach the knots. All of those are pros for me. Would I recommend this unit? Yes. Like, in general, like, the hair is really nice. You know, like, the only con, the major con that I had was simply the fact that it was, you know, too big for me. But I made old girl work, honey, okay? And she will be on my head probably all weekend because I am loving this hair. I'm loving the color. So, yes, I would recommend this wig. All right, honey, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions listed down below, down below in the comments. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Arabella, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helping Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.